All right, everybody. Another sunny day in
Another
Philippines.
Sunday.
In Philippines.
I think it's like, ano na, it's almost 4 o'clock.
Yeah, another late day coming out vlogging. I always tell my wife we need to go out and start vlogging around 10, 11 in the morning, or maybe even earlier.
Yeah, but
Afternoon.
we wake up early. No,
Too late.
Yeah, it's too late.
That's us. You know, sometimes we stay up till 2 o'clock,
Last
3
night
o'clock.
we just visit my cousin.
Yeah,
That's why we woke up late.
we got home a little late last night.
Yeah.
But anyway, today we are in a new place. I've gone by here many times, and I'm just curious. You know, construction been going on for a long time. This is in the route up to Marquee Mall from Balibago.
Yeah, behind us.
On the main road. Once you get up to the end, you hit it straight ahead. And we're just going to take a little walk here today and see what's in here. Like a little shopping center, and we're going to go from there and see. So come on, let's walk. All right, so the shopping center, they call it the Shoppies. You know, on the front here there's some offices, but it looks to me like there's a whole lot of restaurants. If you look down in that area, you have the Carnival, Tivoli, rides, all kinds of stuff. No activity there during the day, maybe during the weekends, I don't know.
No, last night there is. Every night they operate every night.
Every night, yeah, okay. But anyway, you know, if you want to get out of Angeles and go and have a decent meal, this looks like the place to go. So we're going to walk around and see what kind of restaurants and other things that are here.
Yeah, let's go.
I thought this was nice, though. Let's have a look at it. Some artists come in here and done some painting here. Pretty cool artwork on the wall of this. What is it? The PTT gas station. It's actually really cool. I love it. I like the parrot they made here. Yeah, it looks real nice. And they decorated the fence all the way to the end, way down there. All right, so let's walk inside and see what we can do. Hopefully.
Look at our shoes.
Yeah.
We're just walking on the.
Yeah.
Look at our shoes.
Yeah. Right. Let's. All right. So let's see if we can walk across here. Sam G Plus.
I think it sounds like Korean.
Yeah. Sam G Plus. Here you have a sign for a restaurant, Griller's Hub. Looks like a steakhouse to me. It says definitely that it is a steakhouse. So we're just gonna walk a little bit here and see. Sam G Plus is probably a Korean restaurant.
Yes. Samji is short for samyapsal.
Samgyeopsal, yeah.
This is dampa. It's a Filipino.
This is a Filipino place, Dampa Express. Yeah. So
We cook also seafood.
yeah. So it's a brand new shopping center or whatever, and here you have. I think this is more like offices. Baby Mama. I don't know what that is, but we can sure walk down this way and have a look. That'd be interesting. Then and dental clinic in there as well on the second floor. All right, so Bikezilla, what is that? Bikezilla. It looks like it's going to be a store of some kind. They haven't opened it yet, but they might. All right, so if you look here, discover your favorite eats.
This is the...
Yeah, it looks like...
That one is the municipality of Balibago.
Well, this is actually, over there is the courthouse.
Courthouse.
Courthouse, yeah.
Ah, I see.
All right, so let's see here. It looks like there is several restaurants in here. So let's go and see what they got. Look at the sign here. Burgers, steaks and shakes.
Chomps.
Yeah, crabs and cracked seafood. Griller's Hub. The K King, Resto Bar, KTV. So that's like a karaoke bar, right?
Yeah, and then Cub Sarap.
Cub Sarap down there.
Cheesy Burger.
Cheesy Burger.
Green Leaf.
Let's get the logos. So definitely this is a more of a place to go and eat actually than maybe shopping.
Those look like Japanese.
Yeah.
Mika, Bishop.
Right, and Dampa, Express, Crypto Cafe, and Zamji Plus. Yeah.
That's a
Crab's Crack. Yeah. They basically they have just opened this place. So this is Crabs and Cracks, and I've driven by many times but never stopped in. So and then you have Crab Sarap. So there's yeah, Crab Sarap. Crab Sarap. What do they serve? I don't know. Chicken maybe, yeah. So discover your favorite services, construction, interior materials. These are some of the companies that are in here. Actually, it looks like they have a premier pet line, veterinary clinic, Baby Mama, Cartsville, construction, interior materials. So it is definitely some other businesses in here.
The sound.
Huh?
Sound.
Yeah, we can just walk.
Cheesy Burger.
All right. Yeah, this is the cheesy burger. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, there you go.
Buy one, take one burger and pizza in town.
Buy one, take one burger and pizza in town. Cheesy burger. Yeah, that's good. All right. Down there they have a lot of music.
There's a KTV, King KTV.
Right.
King Resto Bar and KTV.
Yeah, KTV. So there's a karaoke bar.
Yeah.
Not good for blogging. YouTube catches us all the time. Right. So that's pretty big tarps, I would say. Still working on the decorations and lights and stuff. Cut here, nail spa salon. So there's another one coming up here. Still a few places for rent, and we've pretty much walked through this. Let's walk up on the other side and check. So there is still some places here for rent as well. Apparently, it's not full. Let's walk down here, hon, and check it out. See if there's anything here. Coming soon to you. What is this? CSA. Looks like another beauty parlor or something. They're working hard in here. Hey guys. All right, so here we go. We walked around here, and here is the famous animal hospital. So they have like a hospital here for animals. Except emergency cases beyond hospital hours, you can call in. A new place for events is rising in this complex this April 2020. So
it will be open on April.
yeah, there's more apparently inside here behind. Let's walk around. That could be interesting. Let's just walk around here real quick. Out there you see the sign backwards from this side, but it's the infinity. So more dining services options inside the shop. Is operating hours 11 a.m. 11 p.m. Yeah, here inside here there's going to be another complete building, I bet. It looks like they've already laid out the concrete walkways and everything, so that's interesting. It'll be something next few months. So let's walk around to the other side.
Market Mall.
Yeah, and it's near Market Mall. Market Mall is right over there. There you got the condos behind Market Mall. And like I said, the courthouse is right down that way. So let's walk. We just thought it could be fun to show something that has never been shown on YouTube before, at least not in a complete vlog. So we're gonna do that. Make it complete. Make it complete.
Yeah, this is our daily work.
Yep, daily workout, I would say. Yeah, here's another sign for that. Shoppies.
Shoppies or shops?
Shoppies.
Shoppies.
Yeah, I wonder if they are kind of related to Shopee, the online shopping.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's a little closer look at the
It's Carnival.
yeah, that's a little closer look at the carnival. So we are in the back end of it. We're just gonna walk up and.
Yes, sir.
Hello. How are you?
Fine.
Good. All right, so we're just going to take a quick walk on the other side of this. Here, Champs. Champs opening soon. That's another burger place. So there's going to be a lot of food down here. You can come down and eat and enjoy your day. Still construction work going on inside, but they are getting ready. All right, so this is the extent of this little shopping plaza, or whatever you want to call it. Down here they have public restrooms, and it's a nice little area. Hello. We're good. All right. Yeah. Griller's Hub. Here is one typical example where I had to kill the natural sound. They're blasting music from their griller's pub or house or whatever it is. And YouTube does not like it. Gives us a little bit of copyright infringement. So we're heading back to our Betsy back over there somewhere. Alright guys, that was a little walk in the Shoppies shopping center. So we're gonna wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and while you're there, hit the bell for notifications. Every time we upload a video, you will get a little notification. And feel free to share our videos, and a thumbs up helps our channel tremendously.
Put comments below.
And all that, and we'll see you again
in the next video
soon. Bye. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.